So in this video we are going to focus into delete button, so we'll be able to delete the video. So let's go to the code. So let's go to the first of all the view, which is all videos, that shows the information here about the delete button. So I'm going to add here wire, or we can say wire click dot prevent, then I'm going to call delete. But I want to also pass here the ID of this video, so I'm going to do this basically, okay, on quotation I'm going to send the ID video UID. Okay, so I'm going to send it this way. So I need to receive it here in all videos class. I will create one method as we saw before, also delete, and then I'm going to accept video. I'm going to add the models and then the video. So let's go and dump the video here and see what's the information we are getting. So if I go now and refresh and let me delete this one, so I'm going to get, I hope this is clear. So if I enlarge it a little bit, then this is learn HTML. I did some modification to the title so it'll be more meaningful, and so on. If I delete the other one, then I'm going to get the other one, which is JavaScript, and so on. So I'm passing basically the ID and receiving it here. So we need to delete the folder, because as we know that our videos, basically, if we remind ourselves, they are under storage. If I bring this one here and see, it will be basically under the storage, and then under videos, if I go one more step here, this allow me to go one more steps up. Okay, if I go to apps and then videos, so they are stored under, everything for that video is under the folder. That's why we made a folder to contain everything for the video, and we want to delete, we can delete only this folder. So the first thing, I'm going to delete the folder. I'm going to use the facade or the storage. We can add the storage here. We can say storage, and we can add, let me check if this is added here. So we have the storage, and then I'm going to use the disk, and we know it is stored in the disk videos. You can refer to the file system configuration file and then delete directory. Then I'm going to give the path or the folder name, which is video UID. So I'm going to assign this to a variable, maybe deleted equal, okay, and then I'm going to do check if deleted. All right, then I'm going to delete if deleted. Okay, then I'm going to delete the record, so I will use from the database, and then I'm going to use video to delete, and this will remove the video from record and then return back. Okay, so this way. So I'm going to delete the folder and then delete the record and return back. So let's go and check this one if it's working fine. Refresh, we delete this record, go to the database, make sure we are on the right database, refresh. So the record is here. So let me delete Laravel 8 video. Okay, so refresh from here, so it's removed from database. And if I go to the folders, if you recall, so now I have end up with 2 folders. So the delete is working fine.